The requirement to file annual returns for a business name is provided by the Companies and Allied Matters Act, that's CAMA of 2020. There are standardized forms and details to be filled out accordingly, and it is now an online process on the CAC's Company Registration Portal, that's the CPR. Here is a breakdown of the crucial sections and the information to be provided during filing. Number 1, enter login details of the accredited agent. Here you go on the CPR and enter the name of the business and proceed to the profile dashboard where the business's details are displayed. Select annual returns and the relevant filing year before proceeding. Number 2 is the general nature of business. Enter the business objectives as approved during registration. 3 is proprietors or partners details. You enter the details of the proprietor or proprietors, including full names, phone number, address, and email address. Although usually these details are already imputed and is summarized just below the page. If there is no summary, add the proprietor's details. Number 4 is the annual returns details. Here you select the year the annual return relates to, the financial year start and financial year or accounting year end. Also supply information regarding the turnover and the net assets of the business. To explain further, the financial year start is always the 1st of January of the particular filing year, while the financial year end is 31st December of the same year. What CAC requires as turnover is the total income the business has generated from selling goods or services over a specific period. Net assets, on the other hand, is the business's income after paying off all its debts. So you may want to consult with an accountant for a financial report before imputing any figures. The next step is authentication. This is where the name and designation of the proprietor who gave authorization for the filing is supplied. Number 6 is to preview entries. At this point, a summary of all the details entered is displayed for review. You could also alter any information by going back to the previous page from here. Number 7 is to proceed to payment. Here, the annual returns fee of 3,000 Naira and the late filing fee of 5,000 Naira is displayed. You go ahead to make payment on the remitter platform in the total amount. Number 8 is document upload. This is the attachment of a financial statement of the previous year signed by the proprietor or partners, and it's provided for in section 822 subsection 2 and 3 of CAMA. In practice, however, this is not mandatory since the filing is usually approved without more. Number 9 is annual returns form submission. At this point, you go ahead to click on the submit button on the CPR and you can view the application under pending approval on the business profile dashboard. Note that this is the procedure to file for each year, one after the other, for a business name. The final step is the approval. Once the application has been approved, CAC sends an acknowledgement letter for each year signed by the Registrar General stating that it has received payment for the year filed. You find this under approved on the business profile dashboard. Businesses are enjoined to consider the matter of annual returns filing as important, as the CAC can exercise its powers in delisting defaulting businesses from its registers. By fulfilling your regulatory obligations and maintaining corporate active status, you do not only demonstrate your commitment to compliance but also ensure the ongoing validity of your business as a going concern. If you're ready to file your annual returns, feel free to use the WhatsApp link in bio or call, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.